Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're going to talk about the best Berkey Fluoride Filters PF-2, the ultimate solution for those looking to ensure their water is free from harmful fluoride and arsenic. If you're using a Berkey gravity-fed water filtration system, this is a must-have addition. The Berkey PF-2 fluoride and arsenic reduction elements are designed to work in conjunction with the black Berkey purification elements. Together, they offer powerful filtration that reduces fluoride, arsenic, and other harmful heavy metals from your drinking water. This makes it an essential product for anyone serious about improving their water quality. Whether you're a prepper, an off-grid homesteader, or just someone who values clean and healthy water, the PF-2 filters will give you peace of mind knowing that your water is safe to drink. The PF-2 filters are built to last. They have been tested and proven to remove over 95% of fluoride and 99.75% of arsenic, leaving you with pure, great-tasting water. You can replace these filters after 1,000 gallons of use, under normal conditions, ensuring you get a long lifespan out of each set. It's important to note that these filters only work when used with Berkey's black Berkey purification elements, so make sure you're using the right system. Installing the Berkey PF-2 fluoride and arsenic reduction elements is quick and easy. Simply attach them to the bottom of the black Berkey filters and place them in the lower chamber of your Berkey system. They fit perfectly and are a seamless addition to your existing Berkey setup. This means no complicated installation, no tools required, just straightforward, effective filtration. One thing that stands out about the Berkey brand is their commitment to quality. These filters are the original PF-2 filters, made by Berkey, and they've been tested by accredited third-party laboratories to ensure their effectiveness. Be wary of imitators out there trying to sell look-alike filters that aren't up to the standard of Berkey's genuine products. For the best performance, always opt for the original PF-2 filters. In terms of performance, the PF-2 filters provide unparalleled reduction of harmful contaminants, ensuring your drinking water is as clean and safe as possible. Whether you're filtering municipal water, well water, or water from a stream, the Berkey PF-2 filters will give you peace of mind. They're ideal for families, survivalists, and those who live in areas with questionable water quality. So, if you're looking for the best way to purify your water and protect your health, the Berkey PF-2 fluoride and arsenic reduction elements are the perfect choice. With their proven effectiveness, long-lasting durability, and ease of use, they are truly the best fluoride filters for Berkey systems. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there.